Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate IRS Form 4868 for extension planning step by step clearly. To activate IRS Form 4868 for extension planning, start by gathering your tax information. Ensure you have your previous year's tax return on hand. Access the IRS website to find Form 4868. Download the form in PDF format. Open the downloaded form using a PDF reader. Carefully read the instructions provided with the form. Enter your personal information in the designated sections. This includes your name, address, and social security number. If you are filing jointly, include your spouse's information as well. Next, estimate your total tax liability for the year. Calculate the amount of tax you have already paid. Subtract the payments from your total tax liability. If you owe any tax, enter the amount you are requesting an extension for. If you're not expecting to owe any taxes, you can leave that section blank. Review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Sign and date the form in the appropriate section. You have two options for submitting Form 4868. You can file electronically using software that supports IRS forms. Alternatively, you can print and mail the form to the address specified by the IRS. If mailing, be sure to send it as early as possible. This will ensure that the IRS receives it before the tax deadline. Once submitted, keep a copy of Form 4868 for your records. Finally, note the new extended deadline for filing your tax return. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.